When companies execute a digital manufacturing strategy, they open themselves up to many cybersecurity risks. DTG have launched an industrial cybersecurity training course which explains how organisations can implement cybersecurity measures to help avoid unnecessary bumps in the road on their digital journey. In our industrial cybersecurity course, we explain the differences between protecting information technology and operational technology. We introduce the basic concepts of OT cybersecurity. We discuss the importance and urgent need for cybersecurity within Industry 4.0, and we explore the components of an OT cybersecurity strategy. So, what can you hope to achieve by taking this course? Once you have completed our industrial cybersecurity course, you will understand the key differences between IT and OT cybersecurity. You will understand the risks and threats to manufacturing and supply systems. You will know how to develop a layered cybersecurity strategy, and you will understand your own responsibilities for minimising cyber risks. This course is for business executives who want to better understand the threats and implications of OT cyber on their business, manufacturing and automation industry professionals who want to understand how to protect their OT systems from attack, and anyone who is curious about data protection, operational technology, and how to identify and defend against cyber threats. All of our courses are online and self-paced, so you can learn at your own speed and convenience. Each course contains quizzes throughout to continually reinforce your knowledge. Course content has been specifically created with all types of learners in mind. We are also a member of the CPD certification service. To find out more, click the link attached or reach out to us over email, LinkedIn or Twitter.